Hey, good morning. Francois here, Chief Medical Exercise Specialist with the Other Pain Clinic. So in today's video, it's just a short video just to let you know about something that's coming up this week. This week, I think I mentioned it earlier in the month, but I have the Lunchbox Rescue to be made available for you to get. Now, so what is this Lunchbox Rescue? Like I kind of sharing with you, it's an unlimited healthy mix and match of lunch recipes for you. Especially when we need some new healthy lunch ideas, because yeah, we might have breakfast taken care of. We might have supper, dinner, however you want to reference that, taken care of as well. But lunch, where does it go? Do we even have lunch, or do we work through lunch? And then we kind of look at how come we don't have the energy for the afternoon piece of our day? Well, what happened to lunch? Where's our fuel, right? So here, I put together 5 simple meal templates and an extensive list of mix and match ingredients so you could create, I'll say, almost endless combinations of tasty lunches. No more boring salads or takeouts that kind of hit your pocketbook either. With this guide, you'll have some fresh, exciting options at your fingertips every day. You can start mixing, matching, and enjoying your lunch again. All right, so to kind of share with you what's inside this Lunchbox Rescue, I'll just pull up something that you may find that's in there. So for this one, it's a simple done for you lunch prep formula, right? So it's kind of like your make ahead grain bowl, like I said on the screen, lunch formula. So here you're taking a little bit of grain or legume, small scoop, half cup, that's kind of all we need. And a little bit of greens and veggies with some dressing. So the dressing could be, a vinaigrette, like an olive oil, apple cider vinegar, maybe a little stone ground mustard, and your source of lean protein. I put some examples down like eggs, chicken, sauteed tofu. It could be sliced up beef, whatever your protein source will be. Just kind of have it in there. Yeah, it is that simple, right? It's no more last minute lunch scrambles or that expensive takeout that I referenced either. You know, you're just not creating a meal, but this is about creating a healthier, happier you as well for your day. Because I want to make things simple. That's the focus of August. Make things simple and take things that may be blocking that progress for being healthier and happier as well. All right. So if you want the latest copy of this Lunchbox Rescue, I'll just put up that screen again. Is send me a direct message with this video, or you could find me at theotherpainclinic.com /contact. That's reference as well, or take a look at our Facebook page at The Other Pain Clinic. All right. If you have any questions, you found some ways to contact me. And in the next video, I'll go through the one thing that you could change that will really help to get traction on your overall health and wellness. All right, see you in the next video. Have a great day.